Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to stop Windows 11 from going to sleep unexpectedly. First method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand PCI Express, click and expand Link State Power Management, select Off, click Apply, click OK. Restart system. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type power CFG space, -H space, off. Exit and restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Power. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.